In this video, I'm going to show you ScreenMeet's new AI summarization capability in our remote support solution. Now, this capability uses advanced logging, screen recording, and LLMs to automatically document notes and resolution summaries from your ScreenMeet sessions so that your agents no longer need to add these by hand to the incident, avoiding the all too common done resolution note. Now, as you can see, we're on the service operations workspace, and I have an incident open for an end user that's reported a computer running slow. In this example, I'm going to use ScreenMeet Remote Support to troubleshoot this issue. And for the purposes of this demo, I've already established a ScreenMeet Remote Support session, and I'll begin the troubleshooting process from here. So first off, I'm going to look at the storage capacity of this device. So we're going to go into System Properties and into Storage and just give this a quick check. And here we can see that everything's okay within the storage. So next, I'm going to have a look at the Task Manager. So in Task Manager, I can see all the processes and obviously the memory that's in use. It might be helpful just to rearrange the memory so that the most use is at the top. I'm also going to look at the Performance tab and see how the machine is faring as an overview, and also maybe look at some of the startup applications that are there in case there's something that's running. So there's nothing untoward in there. And finally, I'm going to adjust the appearance and the performance in Windows. So here I'm just going to adjust the settings for the best performance, apply those settings, and click OK. Now, normally when you've made changes like that, you'd want to do a reboot, and that's what I'm going to do in this demo. But I'm actually going to prompt the end user to enter their credentials so that when the machine does boot back up, it'll automatically log back in as them. Entering these credentials is secure for them. By logging it in as them, it saves a bit of time, and we'll be able to see if those changes have had an impact. So I'm going to reboot the machine. Okay, so now that machine has been rebooted, I'm going to have another look at Task Manager, and again we'll look at performance, and nothing jumps out there, so it looks like the issue may be resolved. So we're now going to end the session, and normally what would happen here is the session would close, and sure, there would be session logs in the incident or the case, but there wouldn't be a summary, and it would be reliant on the agent to basically enter a summary. But now with our AI summarization capability, I can generate human readable summary of the actions that we performed in that session. So here you can see it's producing that summary. It's launched the Task Manager. I sorted the processes by memory usage. I switched to a Startup tab in Task Manager to look at programs starting up, and navigated to performance options, all down to performing a reboot of the computer to apply changes and refresh the system. Now, if I'm not happy with that summarization, maybe I want more of a summary, I can request that from AI, so it'll give me a more summarized version of those notes. Okay, so when I'm happy with that, I can either submit that as a note or as a resolution to my incident or case. Now let's go back to the incident in ServiceNow. And as you can see, the notes that I submitted from that AI summarization have already been added to the activity field in ServiceNow. So these notes can be used in conjunction with Now Assist. Now Assist will use these when providing the resolution note, and can also use these to enrich knowledge base articles and also train chatbots. With AI summarization, you will save time and money by helping your agents create better documentation for each incident. You'll improve deflection by utilizing these summary notes to enrich the knowledge base and train chatbots, and also identify improvements in the support process by being able to see what agents are doing in the session to identify if there's a better way to do it or agents need training. To learn more about ScreenMeet's AI summarization, contact us at sales@screenmeet.com.